basketball ka chaja to kan tama gwasa me
Six to shoot. He kicks it to Jones. Trying to end the drought. That one, no good. And so it's Kevin Durant making headlines and highlights for USA. He comes away with 11 points in the quarter and is showing no signs of fatigue. Back to the action in just a minute. And so far, through one quarter, it's been a lopsided game. We'll see if that changes here in the second.
they look for something else alang ari na tama alang ngar kan ke jan tama 19 kan 12 like South Sudan si ka South Sudan ci kana moj ka wal bang wan cha ga moj ka wero jana danan la roranta gwamane hold on. I could simply do this. No. Okay. Oh. Okay. Sha 21 kan 12 entama lai sha South Sudan charge mo ke jandari de kelte South Sudan take a wero you know ooh dung me di South Sudan de winda gwalong da gwalong okay ci South Sudan ci kan goal last ci kan score ci South Sudan ci wel ngwan lat ti America te ke jandang rawi de kel ooh ooh
That's not going to make you a favorite target of your teammates. They'll think twice about feeding you if you're going to keep missing layups.
ngode
Curry on the wing. He's got five. There's Embiid, and it's in off the backboard.
ci America ci jandang rawi bakal chakalat te South Sudan te ka wel ngwan de South Sudan de ka United States de ka na shop ngode time long
That's a high percentage look when the D doesn't fight over the screen. And the coach over there just asking for one simple thing, and that's some effort.
oh
LeBron kicks the Booker. Pass to Curry. And here comes the break.
ala percentage den ka ta dan natin ne to wan gwi kana odong ede United States eda win do no ngode United States te jandang red bakal chagalat ngode South Sudan te ka wel ngwan lakan South Sudan kan United States kan shop ya ngode ngode ntama okay
Once he gets his hands on the man. Here's Gabriel. No points in the game yet for him.
yeah kan ngar South Sudan ko kana gwa
Clock at 6.
you know boom ka
Shoots the three.
ntama
Embiid's got 6 rebounds.
ajen pengaram shala pengaram dida ngaram dida long ko en team South Sudan te ko they can win chang na malanga ka man ke point to shop ka wero langa ka point wero ko ntama sigla no wel wan karodien gor kan ni misika gole ko ken kan lat gole wero they can team United States they can shop ay na medan gwazidan me ngar kene chicken gole ti kwori ken galat wa ka len ka kel karwade lo chicken America chicken de dak antama agenda le rode antama ngor jendang redo bakel kan wal ngwan sa Sudan team boom ka long man shale boom na boom ke long jen pek boom ke no team mi gwe ke dong che United States che de shop no oh ngode ngode ne de man gwas me gor kano de so Sudan de win kan de konan te ka tin ne de content gwe ke ja de so Sudan de win enemy de so Sudan jaga jawo ni am gor ke ja long tam oh jawo to duel che so Sudan jek na ah wow wow yeah woke gwalong no jen ngar dan gor ke oh cha ko mu jen jogu de kel jen jogu de kel kan wel ngwan United States take a point jen jogu de kel te South Sudan take a well ngwan oh ngor jen jogu de kel kan wel ngwan team South Sudan they win they you win by any mean oh ngode uh, team America take a jen jogu de kel te team South Sudan would take well ngwan uh, ngar mi di de long ngar mi shuj mon ke liu sharod latin logo ke je ne dial ko jen ngar mi bej chi ngar mi de la ron me etiaka ngare na ngar mi bej long kan team dung sa Sudan um jene shanen je merka mutungwan shi ko dwalong ke ne de kon la je South Sudan ko weekend South Sudan ti pay ngade je pay independent je ti ka gwaza me weekend South Sudan ngum da na daga je weekend ne ti ngar ken ka loikel ko biken South Sudan biken ja ko bay ngaj wi mon ci kum chay to ngaja oh si United States ci ka te ka point jan jogu de diok ngot South Sudan ka point wel ngwan ngode shina bu gave up ko kan ngo time ngode long jan jogu de diok kan wel ngwan tama oh oh mm, oh mm. ngode ngade ngar ngode ngode long so Sudan te ga mede win ke ja ka ta dan la ngwana gwi ke ja ngai kon no so Sudan te re kur ala choje chu nya ke ja mite ga dor mede na mat ke ngare dan pa ke ngar ke je ke jen United States ku la ngar ke je an wala nyok ngare ke ne nyodo ne ngar mo ko long sheneri wan lo din je tes no la wude shwal ke lol de ngane jen ke yu ke che European ko team South Sudan ko je la fan jen che invest ka kan garden kon te la gad South Sudan tin terar ko ngar kon ka ngar te terar te ke United States you know ko che ga jogo no do ba dien de kon oh good job si South Sudan che point wero che point wel baro che ga chop ngod ngod America ka jen de bakel jen de bakel kan wel baro cha America cha jen de bakel che galat si South Sudan che wel baro che galat alo chop kan ka be kan ka chop ngona time bukan ga chop. Wow, bukan ga chop. So wude chwal ke lol denga jen chalam di chejelat la yo ke ken kono she invest kan ngaran kono kula ngar la ngar so Sudan. Ko kan ngar so Sudan ka jirar te karar. Ah, kan kuma South Sudan tele miji kan real ka kuigo de kan team ma de kan fan ano asyang na men ku kan present represent ni South Sudan kan ko rodi real kan no kan yo kan ka real ka tin kon de team be fan ka je ani jen wure shal ka lol de ngane ka rwade cho real ka mon wo be team me ba je real ka jen che million of dollars che latin na me ko bi team me ba wo gwa ke ba chong kel ano chelel ke ngat loyde keliu chelel ke loyde keliu ko bi ngara me ba okel ka ta dan na ngana ka je wi mon ko jen kon ngara wal ko olympic on point de wuri shal ke lol de ngana ana oh si South Sudan te wal bang wan good news mo gwalong South Sudan wal bang wan point wal bang wan ti United States te ga jandang de gudu bakel wu mo gwalong gwalong na me ngar mo gwa wana ka wewa oh ngoda welbang wan South Sudan te welbang wan te oh si America je te jandang jogu baro si kan point adien ji kan lat te South Sudan te welbang wan no wudi shal ka lol de nga jen chalan di shajalat tes loy na de longa je ko bi team team South Sudan there won yam ke there win ka jan ngara me ko en team United States jen team dan en lot kana jelong oh si America si gol do dia nyol ne te ka jandang do badak oh good job si South Sudan si jandang ro de kel che ka chuban tama jandang ro de kel kan jandang do badak so oh si team United States si jan wan chup ti ka jan wan ti kan kalat ngot South Sudan ka jandang ro de kel bu ko rodien chup bi South Sudan ba chup ngone jan kan le ngar gwa bu South Sudan ba ka chup so name mogwalong mugur gwede shi be maljek anta an mugur je ngar no be gwej ngar chaja taw no ne de konen gwi ka ngar me kan ti ji yu kan yor pinya chang ni youtube ta tsin tama chaja gwijen ngar me tel ne de gwije no gwi kene je online ka channel ko ken te chaja so dong chi gi chi je de je du no de ro ko online de point in kon je kan ka ke tin lat kan ka kan team South Sudan kan America de yo jekten good job mo gwalong milet kan mo gwada man aw congra ci team South Sudan ci jendang raw wi diok ci ka lat jendang raw wi diok no ne jendang raw de kel ci point dang raw ci ga jek te jendang raw diok ta America te ka jen ngwan team South Sudan dung me da win da ta loy mi di da lon kan ideal win mon ke leo de lo de te lon kon tam en team South Sudan shele represent ni South Sudan karwaran tam chajin win mon la shit ke Africa continent karwara la Africa continent an Africa ke liu che je represent tam ke jan gwasa me ko kan ngar kan long ko de Africa bada ko woni ba sheng man ge je no ngar ken ke kwi South Sudan karwade ken ngar ken ko biken Africa ke liu biken jaga jaba jangach chen tam South Sudan ti chore je ko kan tam wi mon ke liu na ran ti je ji wi char jin South Sudanese jin ngu mu chai chang ne jira mu char ba ne min biken yiglar ro jiran South Sudan amu gwalong mu nyot kana USA kene South Sudan ngari na me ba wo gwalong ngode kan ben no flash okay flash score ngode ka jen ngwan kan jen dang ro diok tele gol mi chana lat nyok Okay.
And that one falls for Dang. Dang hits them both.
Okay. Wanna go basketball? Ngode. Okay.
And it's USA in complete command. They're leading 28 points going
Oh,
into the break.
wow, good job. She America cha jan ngwano joglat ka she South Sudan cha jandang rid bakel cha jalat. Uh, Jandang rid bakel kana jan ngwano de diok. Biya kamal ay kan gadet male kilimusas male. Yeah. Ngodo kon ka wewe okay. Oh, South Sudan cha jandang rid badek cha jek ngayene la la we gwa long ngar by the way we South Sudan we gwa an kan gadet hey what's up man male yana tin biya kamal gare Kim Moses biya kamal ano team South Sudan guyena ba win wala che ba win. Oh, good job si South Sudan che jen diogo de kel che ka chop che chop antama ta America te jen wanen bakel te South Sudan ga jen dang diok wi de kel alo chup ka antama ngayena dol ka dol bom bom long uh chana gwini mana le roda let just wait for the solution cause titin wona kan go nyam jende wude kel jen ngwan bakel South Sudan jende wude kel ngode America ten yam ku South Sudan ko to kore. Okay.
James covering.
Yeah. Jen to ko tema South Sudan jende wude kel United States jen ngwan de bakel uh
Is tough to come back from. Well, not making things easier on themselves right now, that's for sure. Now here's Curry. There's the three. Bangs home the
okay
Curry's got 11 points.
wo kono gwa long ha wo ka gwa shup kan team South Sudan shup kan team United States.
Passes to Gabriel. Five on the clock. And Jones now atop the key.
Aiwa
Slide on the top of the key.
antema
Jones has gone 1 of 6 shooting so far.
wow.
Lays it up for James.
Oh, United States che jen ngwan baro che ka chop te South Sudan che jen de gude kel ngode to kon ke hope though we have still have hope
90 seconds
ana
now in the
uh
second half.
yeah South Sudan wuke go by the way kan gadet wuke go along kan South Sudanese gwazo me ngar ken bumalong ngayena team USA team bumalong ko ken kanitimo tigare de newen
Pass to Durant.
alo ken chi nganyo chi kan nginyo la kan alda kan gade all the time ni shang da ne cha ka de de ke chi kan nged no da ke wale ajen men be ni jen longo wala murai kona um ngode South Sudan te jen de kel te United States te jen ngani de baro alo kam dien te ke point ni okay chi United States che jen de lat jen de ken jen de kel alo te kam dien tam che te ke point wal bangwan no uh, telengu wana ka wa
And guys, there are some you can give that shot to. Well,
no
let's be clear. Gabriel.
Yeah, Kamal. A lot team. Okay, good job. Te South Sudan te jandang jok ide jok che ke shop. Te team United States te ke jandang di. Ngar mu bum bum me be jalong. You know. Let me check. Yeah, yeah.
Here's Gabriel.
Okay. Team man.
Down to 5 on the shot clock. Jones.
Yeah.
The layup is good. Jones has got 6. And that's an example of playing
Mm-hmm.
big.
Wakagwa, by the way, they are really playing very well.
The finish was better. And they recover. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials on the call with the foul. And we know how good Embiid is at drawing fouls, especially in the painted area. He welcomes the contact.
Okay.
A closer look here at the scoring breakdown for USA. Well, I've been impressed with the ball movement all game long.
Tukon ke
That extra pass.
ko gwasament jan diogu de chi team United States ya chopo jandang diogu de chupo jandang diogu de jantama America te ke jan ide diok chi team South Sudan chupo jan diogu bakel ngot team America ke jan ide diok ngot America jan team no ngot ni amane ngot ni amalong. Okay. Let me go in with these things so that I can comment. Okay. Alright.
Now the dish to Jang. The pass to Shea.
Okay.
And he's on the money with his first shot today. He's been accurate tonight. I think the best way for them to succeed is to get him more shots.
Okay.
Sounds simple, but it comes down to execution.
What's a minute?
Now here's Curry.
Okay.
Pass to Embiid. USA needs to get off a shot.
Ano biya Kamal?
From the arc. That's not going to go. He's 4 for 10. Booker's gotten just 4 of his 10 shots to fall here, shooting 40%. From about 19 feet.
Wow, chamagwa te South Sudan ga janang dio bakel ka United States ke jendi ju di. Ami ma woka go along she town ala America wekel ma go along. Gwad ma dere comment ala kejan gwaz ma ala team United States on cholo South Sudan. South Sudan take a 36 and 36 point. And USA take 50. Let me see. Take 55. USA take 55 point. You know. So again, down the road and tama. Ben you update gwasa me ko tele gwara din be long update keja. You know. Okay. Ngode America te jendi jidi dich. Te South Sudan te jandang dio de bakal. Go along by the way, so they are really doing their best. The comment was go to comment section so that we can chat here. Okay. Was a team jen gujumo dong the win. Let me put it.
Booker's got his 5th assist in this one. Here's Shea. He's got 13.
Okay.
Gets that one through the hole, make him now 7 of 13 in this game. And so Curry will bring it up for USA. Loads it up for Davis. And finished off by Davis.
Ngode United States Take Jendi the te South Sudan take Jendang Jor Bakal. Yeah, Magua Gualong.
Wow, Kevin, what a performance we are seeing. Curry passes to Davis. He kicks to Booker. Fires for three. Another three for USA. And for regular score sheet, I have to imagine it was a topic of discussion at halftime. Maybe trying to find a little bit more space and ball movement to get guys open at the three-point line. When a pick like that is questionable, it creates that much of an advantage for the offense. You have to blow the whistle.
Yeah, Jen Dana Lero and Taman. So,
Changes for USA. And Rosie's checked in for Durant. Comes in for Booker. And it's Holiday in for Curry. That size and athleticism makes it look easy. AD up on the rim. Passes it to Shea. Stolen by Holiday. Shea with the rebound. To the paint. Looking for Jang. He gets it there. Takes the alley-oop pass and dunks it down. Absolutely the prettiest play in basketball executed to perfection. I don't think you get an argument there. Everybody loves
South Sudan Jendi Bakal to United States take Jendi the ditch. More the way United States were Gua. Ko South Sudan Bog more the Basham Roda Con. USA 56. And South Sudan 36. So ka comment section gwal mo be yana ngaje no ke dichi do don tama. USA take Jendi Bakal ngot South Sudan take Jendang Jogo Bakal. Okay, more long. Te Jendi the United States okay kan no ngade kan no gwal New State more still more Jendi and United States. United States take Jendang de Jogo Bakal take Jendi the South Sudan take Jendang Jogo Bakal. Jenta dan and ngut ko ngone ken ka ngaran tama bugo ko mushum ko rodian bugo woni am ko en team la chum no ro ko la mo pay ngar pay to la beje long no dong brand bo on so jenta dan and to ka team dung yu na dung sa sudan and tama bugo din ko shum ko mod jande wol bakal kan na jande wi dit en of quarter 2 mode yeah ano team sa sudan da chop ko kan ngaran konti de tin gwasan kan ngar te bej beje long beje kan dial te le ngar mu ka joko ke kan dial ngar kan long jem nyo de no dwal ne tung wan long kai ka ya moda moda
That was absolutely filthy. Nasty. This building is stunned. He dug deep, Greg, into his bag of tricks there. With one on the clock, and the last second attempt does not go in for him. And it's USA with
moda a team United States by any mean by shop by shop okay by shop no kana kia lo kana big YouTube ko kon gor kona lo no de team me da yik win ka drop down gor kona ja by any mean it gonna win okay that is the hope that we have.
And what a beautiful feat. Coaches talk about it all the time, but to be able to play with that kind of feel, nice play, collaborating, improvising, and organic.
Okay.
And as we head into the fourth, we'll see if there's a comeback in the works or if it's more of the same from the first three quarters. They get a hand on it. An even 3-on-3 break. Here's Adebayo. Plays it up and puts it in.
Love it when the big guy like Adebayo is out there making it happen in the fast break.
The visitors with the ball.
Okay.
Guarded by Holiday. Jones looking for an opening. Fires the three.
More than the old buckle.
I think the defense has more concerns out there on the floor, and they give him a good open look from the perimeter.
Edwards passes to White. Kicks to Holiday. Lobbed up there for Edwards.
Drew Holiday, unselfish, team first player. Love that from the guard position.
Pass to Jones.
Okay.
Inside. 4-on-3 as they bring it up. No one near Edwards as he lets it fall. It's in there. Davis with the assist.
Davis, you see him right there developing more in his passing ability. Good decision.
For the three. It's hauled in by USA.
You can see he wanted to get it back. Sadly, he couldn't capitalize from outside the arc.
Edwards.
More than.
That's good. Boy, you have to be impressed with the offensive production. They have got it firing, but also,
and this team is just dangerous. Right now, every shot that they're putting up feels like it's going in.
Edwards defending. Shot clock at 6. Stolen by Holiday. From down in the low post, it goes.
The moment he touches
More what can I go? Ngar dal ngar ka? Ngar ka go along.
transition.
Outside, Jones. To stop the run. Trains it from beyond the arc. And you're asking for more trouble than you can handle if you're going to let him just roam free from beyond the arc. Davis kicks to White. He dishes it to Edwards. USA working out with the new shot clock. Gets it to go. That one good from Adebayo.
Yeah, those possessions like zombies staying alive out there, courtesy of Bam Adebayo.
Guarded by Holiday. Got a piece of it. It's stolen by Davis. And now USA on the break. Fouled on the shot and picks up 2 points. So one free throw coming up.
And you can see the lower body strength from AD right there, able to take contact, get fouled, and still get the shot to go.
Halliburton's checked
Oh,
in
yeah.
for USA.
Team USA more. Still more 55 and 36 coming over.
And his game to adapt over time to what's going on in today's NBA, becoming a much more effective three-point shooter.
Oh, what terrific hustle. He's got a nose for the rebound. He's ferocious when the ball goes up. Pass to Adebayo. Dishes it to Davis. Finding it open is Adebayo. And Adebayo throws it down.
Watch out when Adebayo gets vertical. That's a big bam.
Adebayo's gone 80% from the field. 4 of 5 shooting. Outside, Jones. Shoots it. It's hauled in by USA. Adebayo's got 4 rebounds in this game. There's the pass to Halliburton. Quick shot there, and it's off target. He's covered by Halliburton.
More 55 and 36.
Gets himself open and drills it.
Yeah.
Now USA with it. They're on a 16-7 run. Loads it up for Davis. Oh, and
More
they get
half
away.
time. Half time.
Good play defensively.
Yeah. 55 and 36. So she different edit. They can win. They can win.
The shot that sends him to the line. That one on Davis. Shoot two. The first one falls. And USA with some changes. Durant's checked in for Anthony Davis. And it's Tatum in for Edwards.
55 and 36. So they can win. Don't they win? You know, they win. You know.
And that one goes in. Two from the line that time.
Yeah,